Oh no, it was huger. It was like almost 10 times longer on height. It's got like regular blinking airplane lights, but no, it was huge. Oh no, it's got the blinking lights, but well, I see the blinking, but no, it was like on fire. It was as long as that tree is tall. See that tree right there? The light coming from it was as long and as tall as that tree up in the sky. There's something funny about that. No, that's actually an airplane over there. No, that's got 4 lights to it. Not like a regular airplane. That's got like 4 lights to it, one in each corner.
I can hear the whirring.
Well, that's the freeway. Yeah, it was of that one, but not the one I'm. Yeah, it's that way. It's to our right. No, that looks more like a UFO now where it's recording. Oh yeah, that's more like a... Behind a tree now. It had weird colors to it.